Yeah, you know, car boss, and we're there, you know, the Tingo. We're there with donair and we're there with the.
Tap the box up frame. So it's stronger. I was seeing well it. So it's stronger. So we rebuild the engine, so you have to work on the chassis. So it's more firm up on the road.
Yeah, remember the mad machine, mad under from years now building.
That's where it comes from, you know. Part of comes from, you know. Come up.
Alright, we'll build it down. So, right here, so we have the damage. People now look. Yeah, the whole of the sub bust up under the subframe, under the chassis leg right there. So we're going to well out the whole of it. As you can see, car boss over there, live on the internet, you know the thing go. Like, subscribe, share, you know the thing go. Yeah. So yeah, anyway, we're back again once more. Now there with the mud ride. Hold on there. We gotta start up to get a start. So I get some rev. Come on, give it some rev for the camera. Here folks, 1,000 horsepower. Hear the turbo spool. Hear the supercharger. So we installed that muffler there. We just installed that muffler. Mundo installed his muffler now. He's able to compete in the Formula Drift Series. Sounds a bit low. He's able to compete in the Formula Drift Series. Real sketchy. We finished welding out the back end there right there. You know, we welded that out. So I'm out finished now. You know, you can just follow Astro Performance on YouTube and Astro Performance Racing. You know the thing go. Yeah, man, a car boss over there. Big up on yourself, you know the thing go. Car boss over there, live. Wanna look on the machine. We are on the internet. Donair machine charging. 2 computers. Look on the checker body. Super Vortex inverter. When I look on it capable, how it sustain and maintain its resistance. Bumbo cloud Donair. What? Yeah man, this man is a real creative genius. Look at how he deal with the machine charging. Look at all the breather holes. Yeah, right. Where's the going to say now? That one here for the light?
Yeah, that one for the front fan.
Yeah.
Back fan turn on fine on the car, and this is for the light.
This is for the light?
Yeah. Headlight can turn on the car too much. In case more light, just turn on this.
Alright people, let's see how we are dealing with it. Watch out the machine. It's activated, re-inactivated, incorporated. You understand me? Yeah. This car is rated at over 1,000 horsepower and the latest dyno tested in your nearest dyno station. Yeah. We have records, we can show the proof. You know the Tingo. It have on 5-piston Brembo brakes. You know it have on that stage 3 clutch in that transmission with the dual 5-speed shifting, synchronizing. Yeah, everything is in it. I'm telling you, this machine is crazy. Check it out. So we're still up on it right now. We're going to tune the air temperature sensor to accept the 35 pound of boost we're about to throw at it, you know. Car boss over there. Donair machine I roll out. What's our reverse? Alright. See the people. Rolling out. The nigga is rolling out. So you know we have to do the exhaust test. You get one different sound? Yeah? Yeah. So we got the sound from this. Alright, so you know how it go guys. That's the sound check going on for the machine, isn't it? Now may nobody make you feel bad about yourself, yeah. Just think smart, youth, hold up your head and give God the glory. No pussy can't style with. Bust me gun and no worry, yeah. City, we are real gunmen. We like the city, my friend. Them say no, we are real gunmen. Rock that part, that jump out deep. Alright, so thanks again for watching another exciting episode of the most electrifying mechanic on the planet. I want you to like, subscribe, and share. Remember, it's Astro Performance, right? And don't be afraid to tell your friends, your auntie, your uncle, your mother, your sister, everybody. Just look up for the links. If you want to feature your car, look up for the links online. Look up Donair Lewis or Mundo. Yeah, you can find me, Car Boss, at Astro Performance Racing. You know it, find me on Instagram at Astro_Performance. Guys, it's the end of the show, so that's a wrap!